Good morning class. Today we will start exercise 9.2. In this exercise 9.2, first question is find the sum 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. Students, you know that plus minus is minus. That means plus minus will become minus here. And denominator is same here. Denominator is same, that is 4. So 5 minus 11 is, if one number is greater than the, we have, if one is negative and one is positive, we have to do subtraction. That means 6, and sign will be of the greater one, that is minus 6. So minus 6 upon 4, when we are converting into lowest term, it will become minus 3 upon 2. So that is the answer of this part. Now next is 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. In this case, denominators are different. You must know that if the denominators are different, then you have to do the LCM. So calculate the LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So if the LCM is 15, that means we have to make denominator as 15. Okay, now 3. How can we make 3 as 15? By multiplying by 5 in the numerator and in the denominator. So 5 upon 3 multiplied by 5 in the numerator and denominator, it will become 25 upon 15. Next 3 upon 5, in this denominator is 5. So we have to make it 15. So multiply by 3 in the numerator and in the denominator. So it will become 9 upon 15. Now 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5, which is equal to 25 upon 15 plus 9 upon 15. Now 25 plus 9, denominator is 15, so it is 34 upon 15. Next, question number 2. In this question number 2 is, we have to subtract 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Their denominators are different again, so we have to calculate the LCM. Now you must know the LCM. LCM is 72 here. So we have to make denominator as 72. So 7 upon 24. In the table of 24, when we are multiplying by 3, it will become 72. So 24 multiplied by 3. If we have to multiply in the denominator by 3, that means to balance a rational number, we have to multiply by 3 in the numerator also. So it will become 21 upon 72. In this way, 17 upon 36. Now 36 we have to make as 72 as a LCM. So by multiplying by 2, it will become 72. So if we are multiplying by 2 in the denominator, we have to multiply by 2 in the numerator also. So it will become 34 upon 72. Now 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. The value of 7 upon 24 is 21 upon 72. And the value of 17 upon 36 is 34 upon 72. Now in this case, if they are, one is positive, one is negative, we have to do subtraction and the sign will be of the greater one. That means minus 13 upon 72 is the answer. Next part is third part, 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21. In this case, in integers minus is plus. So it will become plus. LCM of 21 and 63 is 63. You can calculate LCM by yourself like this. 3 21s are 63, 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21 and 3 7s are, there is no number, so it doesn't come in the table of 3, so 7, write down 7 here, 7 1s are and 7 1s are. Now 5 upon 63, we have to make it 63. 63 is same, so we have to multiply by 1 in the numerator and in the denominator. So it will become 5 upon 63. Okay. Now 6 upon 21. In this 21, denominator is 21, we have to make it 63. So multiply by 3 in the numerator and in the denominator. So it will become 18 upon 63. Okay. Now 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21 is equal to 5 upon 63. Minus is plus 6 upon 21. So 6 upon 21, now it will become 18 upon 63. So replace it by 18 upon 63. Now add the numerators. Denominator is same here. 63 is same. There now. So we have to add 5 plus 18 upon 63. So 5 plus 18 is 23. 23 upon 63. That is the answer of this question. Now question number 3. Find the product. 9 upon 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 4. Now students, if we have to multiply two rational numbers, what we have to do? We have to do multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators, then convert into lowest form. Okay. Now 9 upon 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 4. One is positive, one is negative. So minus sign, take out common here. So it will become 9 multiplied by 7 upon 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, so multiply the numerators, 9 sevens are 63, and multiply the denominators, 2 fours are 8. So it will become minus 63 upon 8 is the answer. Next, in this case, there is no number in the denominator, so you can put 1 here. Okay, so 3 upon 10 multiplied by 9 minus 9 upon 1. Now we have to multiply the numerators. Numerators are 3 into minus 9, which is equal to minus 27. And denominators are 10 into 1, which is equal to 10. So your answer will become minus 27 upon 10. Next is third part. In this case, minus 6 upon 5 multiplied by 9 upon 11. So multiply the numerators, 6 9s are 54 and 5 11s are 55. Okay. Now in this minus sign is there, so minus take out common here, minus common here. 3 2s are 6 and 7 5s are 35. So it will become minus 6 upon 35. In this case, no negative sign is there. Simply multiply the numerators, 3 2s are 6 and multiply the denominators, 11 5s are 55. Okay. So I think it is clear to you the concept of multiplication in the rational numbers. Now, find the value of minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. Okay. Now minus 4. We can write minus 4 as minus 4 upon 1 and divided by, we have to change the symbol divide. If we have to change the symbol of divide, it will be changed by multiply and the reciprocal of the other number. And we know that the reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. So the reciprocal, it will become 3 upon 2 and divide symbol change to multiply. This is very important. Divide symbol change to multiply and the reciprocal of the next number. These two steps you have to follow. Then it will become minus 3 minus 4. It will become minus 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12 upon 2, and when we are converting into lowest term, it will become minus 6 upon 1, that is minus 6. Now next question is minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2. Now remove this symbol divide. If we are removing the symbol divide, it will become multiply and reciprocal of this number. What is the reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is 1 upon 2. Now in the case of multiplication, we have to do multiply the numerators, that is 3 1s are 3, 5 2s are 10. Multiply the denominators, so it will become minus 3 upon 10. So I think it is clear to you. Okay. So this is all about exercise 9.2. So that's all for today. Thank you so much class. Okay. Bye.